In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow pop-ups on your iPhone. Some websites have pop-ups, and if, for example, a login page will be in a pop-up window, then you will need to allow pop-ups on your device to be able to log in on such websites. So be sure to watch the video to the very end and you won't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings and then scroll down until you find Safari. After that, scroll down again and search for block pop-ups. As you can see, this feature is now turned on. It means that pop-ups does not allow to come up, and all you have to do in order to allow pop-ups on your iPhone is just turn that switcher off. That's how you can allow pop-ups on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.